got one more tune for you. On this one, I'm going to pretend to play the piano. I want to say thank you to Katin for and Calandra. How good was Calandra? Yeah, they were very good. Just in case you weren't here and you were just going, I don't know how to answer that question. They were very good. So thank you very much for lending me that. This song is about birds and puns. We're clearly very fond of puns, so called Science of the Lamps. And this is Duckling Hell. Normally we change the sound in between a little bit, but we're going to go with all piano on this one. So for those of you going, where's that distorted Rhodes? Just buy the album. Right, hope you enjoyed it. When I was a duckling, all my puny feathers were so easy to pluck. I thought I'd be a duck. I thought I'd be a duck. All the other ducklings recognized that I was different. I knew that for long. They thought that was wrong. So when I thought that was wrong, now I'm a swan. Yeah, my neck feels so fragile and long. Why do I go out and put it on the line? Then I became an ostrich. Even when I wanted to, I just didn't fly. Never dared to try. So I didn't even try. Till I escaped the country, grew out of the place where I've been running from so fast. You that couldn't last. That's now in the past. Now I'm a swan. Yeah, my neck feels so fragile and long. Why do I go out and put it on the line? If I'm a swan, shouldn't I just feel notice and stuff? Now that I'm free, now that I'm free. But at times they return with the beats and the bills come across that can't be. The child that I was is the one that they cross and turn my head. There's 60 degrees around. I'm always found, and as I fall apart, as they break my heart, as they leave me plucked again, wishing I was a duck again. Now I'm a swan. Yeah, my neck feels so fragile and long. Thank you very much.